Hi traders, it's Roberto, and it's Monday afternoon. I'm on vacation, but I just wanted to send an update on trades that were taken. There was a turnaround Tuesday on the yen crosses, and now the yen crosses are resuming their trend, which is down. So let me look at a few pairs. Let's start with pound yen. Pound yen is yet to break that main pivot point, but it shouldn't take much time before it does. And so we're going to be targeting the swing low is 147.62. That's the first trade, and the stop loss is above that swing high. Okay, here was the Sunday to Monday retracement right there, and I took this trade and got out up at these levels. So I think it captured about 60 pips off of this one. Went up over 141 pips. The other one was Australian yen, the same thing. Here was the Sunday to Monday retracement, and I got out of this thing a lot earlier because I started seeing a color change candle. So that was a nice run up. And New Zealand yen, same thing. This was Friday's rundown. Here's Sunday to Monday retracement, and we're coming into Tuesday. So all the yen pairs did quite well. They all retraced. So you have to look out for these trades. There was a small gap up and then took off north. This was a little scary, some of these pairs, because they had gap down before the market closed. They shot down, but they did recover and went up. So what are the trades for tonight? We're going to be selling all yen pairs. I'm waiting for a pound yen to break below the main pivot point so I can take a trade. Just the body closing below here and targeting these swing lows. Aussie yen has already broken the swing low. This is a trade. This is active. It also has broken a trend line. Here's the trend line there. So you can take this trade, stop loss above this swing high there, which is 90.76, and target these levels down here at 89.14. New Zealand yen. This one already took off. It may retrace and retest the highs and turn around and go south. And I don't think the yen crosses are going to go any lower than this. I may be wrong. We're in a downtrend, but this is a strong support level, 74.52. And stop loss would be up here. I would put my stop loss above that 76.30 level, not too far away. Okay, and Euro yen, waiting for a price to break below the main pivot point right there. Let's see if it can do that. Around 126 would be the entry. As soon as the body breaks below that level, then we have an entry. On the top side, if it breaks above the swing high, then we're going to be going long. But it's acting the way it should. We had the market sold off our week. Here's Friday's Sunday to Monday retracement, right there. And then here's turnaround Tuesday. So we're coming into turnaround Tuesday setup. The same thing with pound Aussie. We had Monday to Sunday retracement, found a resistance, and now we're setting up for a turnaround Tuesday. Aussie yen already started its turnaround Tuesday, and that's it. Looking at pound Aussie. Now this was difficult. Okay, I wasn't sure, so I had to trade these, and I didn't take these trade, but I would have, if I did, I would have had to use the color change candle. Okay, here's Friday's move up, and then here's the retracement, found support, and turned around. And all I would be looking for is color change candle. This is a nice pin bar. The candle is larger than the previous one. It is at S1. It is a pivot point. I'm sorry, not a pivot point, but a fib retracement level. That's 61% level area. So that would have been a nice trade going north. Now what do we have? We have a color change candle. It has qualified. And let's see what level of resistance that is. Exactly 61%. So this is a difficult trade to take because the market was selling off, and we didn't really have a Sunday to Monday retracement. We had a Forex Friday, sold off, We didn't get a Sunday to Monday retracement until much later in the day during the New York session. Okay, so look to sell this turnaround Tuesday, the next day, which would be in about 3 or 4 hours from now, would be the opening of the Asian session. And what you can do is either you can draw a trend line. Here's the trend line right there, is the swing lows. If it breaks below this level, you short, put your stop loss above the swing high, and that would be it. So it did confuse me because we had this Forex Friday. The market sold off our week, Forex Friday, but then instead of continuing going north, it sold off before it found support and then gave us a Sunday to Monday retracement. This is Sunday, and Monday it went up. Now, we're finding resistance right at 61% retracement level. We have a color change candle, and this is Tuesday. Hopefully the market turn around and head south. Pound New Zealand, same thing. We had this Forex Friday retracement. Market turned around and went south. And then here's the Monday retracement. And let's see what that fib level is. Swing high, swing low, around 61% retracement level. Let's see if it does turn around and head south coming into Tuesday, okay? Euro Swiss, same thing. Okay, we have market sold off. Here's Monday's retracement, and we're coming into Tuesday. Hopefully it'll turn around and head south. And the last trade that, the only trades that I'm actually recommending right now, if you want to know about the other majors, euro dollar, pound dollar, you can email me, and the trade room is going to be open tomorrow morning, so we'll start trading. But right now, these are the trade setups that I'm sending for Monday night's Asian, since I'm on vacation and we don't have a trade room. So the market sold off. This is the Monday's retracement. Again, faked us out. I thought it was going to continue to go north. Finally did. And during the London session, and now it's hitting 61% retracement level. Remember, we're coming into Tuesday, and we anticipate that turnaround Tuesday, right? How many pips does this pair do? Went up 194 pips. That we should get a decent retracement out of this trade. Okay, that's it. See you guys tomorrow at 8:30 or 8:15 Eastern. It's beautiful out here. I'm right on the beach in East Hampton, Long Island. It's where I grew up, and I always come out here. I'll send some pictures. Okay, have a good week, guys. Thanks for watching.